Declan Hopkins here, Cornerstone Site Works. We've been in business 5 years. I've been in the industry about 18 years. We're in Statesville, North Carolina. Beautiful project we did up here. So for this particular project, we used a lot of the Rosetta Outcropping Wall. We used the new Flagstone product. We got different size steps. So we got the Irregular Steps, we got the 6-foot steps. Lots of different products used on this. So for this project, we use the Irregular Steps as a coping on the outcropping wall. Great way to finish off the top of the wall. So for us, the Rosetta products on this project in particular fit perfectly. We're kind of out in the woods. We got a house it needs to be with a more natural product, and the outcropping wall was a perfect fit. So for this project, the homeowner wanted a more natural feeling walkway, and the Traverse Flag was perfect for that. It gave us the quick and ease install of a true slab unit and not having to fight with a natural stone. So it was a great way to bridge the gap on that. We've had a great time on this project and all of our projects. Peerless Block has been a great help for that. They fairly local manufacturer of the Rosetta products, and if we've ever got a question or an issue, they take care of it. The Rosetta products fit this project perfectly. Like I said, we're out in the woods here and with more of a natural setting, and the car barn that's behind me, they wanted it to seem more like it was in the woods and it was meant to be here, so the natural look of the products was perfect. So for us, the clients that we deal with, they want something that's a little different than the norm, and we really like, especially the Rosetta walls, the size and the scale and the texture. It really fits a lot of the properties that we work on in this area. So for us, we really want to provide a different level of service for our customers. We want to provide a finished product that is unparalleled. It's totally different than a lot of the other installs that we see in the area. We want to leave the project just absolutely ecstatic with what the customer has to look at every day when they go out of their house. So for me, I'd say that the final picture, when you can turn around and you see what something might have just been a forest or just a dirt lot when we started, and you show the customer for the final walkthrough and they get to see everything finished, that's just an unreal moment. Yeah, so for us, the main benefit for using the Rosetta product is the ease of the install. So we're able to send 2, maybe 3 guys out to a project and build a wall like what we're looking at here, and they can do it very easily, very minimal labor. Most of the work is done by the equipment on site.